Hello everyone. So today we are back again for the solving LeetCode May challenge, and today's question is also easy and based on the previous day concept only. So let's see the question first. In the yesterday question, we have to find the first unique element. I guess so. Yeah, first unique character, and this question we have to find the majority element. So question said that given an array of size n, array of size n will be given. The majority element is the element that appears more than n upon 2 floor, means n upon 2 integer lower value. If suppose n is a 5 element, then 5 and element appears 3 times, so 5 upon 2, 2 times. So here is an array, here 2 appears, 1 2 3 4 times, and element is 7 times. Okay, so 7 upon 2 is 3 point something, 3 more than 3 it should be, and 2 is 4 times, so output is 4. So here comes the intuition. Here is the code. Firstly we will, in Python, firstly we will declare an empty dictionary. Here we have declared empty dictionary. Here num is a variable, will point directly element nums is a this s, what we have written here is nums, this is nums. So 2 is num is pointing to 2 num variable. If num in d, num is empty, so non element is there, so here 2 will be created. Then if num in d and it is not there, so else part will execute. D num is equal to 1, means something like this will be created, here. After that num will be increased and it will point to 2. If num in d, yes, num is already in d, so what is we have to do? Dnum is equal to dnum plus 1. So this 1 is equal, dnum is equal to 1 plus 1. This become 2 now. This 1 will be replaced with 2 because already element will be added with 1. Frequency, we are just counting the frequency. Then num will increase and point to this 1, and if again under this for loop it will check if it is in d. No, it is not in d, so else part will execute. Dnum is equal to 1, so another entry will be there, something like this. One element is present right now in this iteration one time. Again num will be incremented and num will point to this one this time, and in this one comes under for loop and check if num in d. Yes, it is in d, so increase the value by 1, frequency value by 1, so 1 will be incremented by 2. Again num will increment and point to this one. Again in for loop check if num in d. Yes, it is, and increase the frequency by 1, so it will be finally replaced by 3. Okay, again num will be incremented and point to this, sorry, point to this 2, and check if num in d. Yes, it is in d, so it will be incremented, frequency will be incremented by 1, so it is 3. Again num will be incremented and point to this 2, this num will be incremented, and if num in d, yes it is in d, then increment the frequency by 1, so it will be finally it will be 4. So at the last iteration, the updated dictionary will be 2 contain 4 times, 1 contain 3 times. Now after executing the whole loop, we will come out from the loop and calculate the length of num, which is 1 2 3 4 5 7, which is 7. Num is 7 for key. Now we are checking if the value, means these value, this 4 and 3 is greater than integer of n upon 2. This double sign means that the floor value, means if we have 5 upon, if we have 5 upon 2, means exactly it will be, if we have 5 upon 2, then we have 2 point something, and if we have give this, in Python, then it will take the lower value, which is 2. Okay, so for key value means it will take the two variables in d item. Item is these, and point 1 will point to this and 1 will point to frequency count. Means here this is key will point to this, that keys point to this, and value will point to frequency. Okay, so if value is greater than upon and lower n upon 2, so n upon 2 will be 7 upon 2, 7 upon 2, and we have to take the float value, so double slash 7 upon 2 means 3. So first element value 7 upon 2, yes, value 4. The first value will be here, value 4 is greater than 3. Yes, it is correct. So it will return the key means key is pointing to this element 2, so it will return 2, and that will be our answer, that it is 2. So it is the same Python implement. We have declared dictionary. In one iteration we are updating the frequency, calculating the length, and from the key value we are checking if condition, if value is greater than n upon 2 or not. If it is greater, then return the key value. Let's submit and see whether it is running or not. Whether it is accepted. So the raw code for C++ and Python and Java will be available at my GitHub profile. The link will be provided in the description. We have to go there and go to LeetCode challenge. Here is a day 6 May. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and share with your friend. Here is the Python solution. Here is a C++ solution. Here is a Java solution. So thank you for watching our video. Please like the video and comment if you need some help, and subscribe our channel. It give motivation to us for making new videos. Thank you.